Procedures. In procedures, we have PROC print. For printing the data, we want to know the printing the particular data. In that case, we can use PROC print. Default destination is always output window. Next, PROC contents. For getting the information about dataset level metadata and variable level metadata. PROC content always shows the data about the data. Next, PROC sort. PROC sort means for sorting the data. Default sorting will take place as ascending order. For example, we want to get the data in descending order also we can apply descending before the variable. For getting the data in proper order means in that case we can follow PROC sort. Next, merging. Merging means we want to merge the two data sets with values. And for example, we have two data sets. We want to get the one variable from the another data set. In that case, we can use merge. Variable adding is nothing but merging. Variable adding based on the values from the both data sets. If both data sets having similar values, in that case only we can do merging for getting the variable for the another data set. Next, first dot and last dot. First and last dot vars. Why we are using first and last dot vars means, for example, we want to know the earliest information and latest information. For example, subject having exposure with multiple times with treatment. We want to know the earliest treatment. In that case, we can use first dot. For latest treatment, we can use last dot. For getting the information from the earliest and the latest information, in that case, we can follow first and last dot vars. Next, PROC format. PROC format means we want to apply particular conditions based on the existing information. In that case, we can follow PROC format. Next, PROC frequency. PROC frequency means for getting to know the counts and percentages. In our data, we have males and females. What is the percentage of males? What is the percentage of females? For getting the counts and percentages, we can use PROC frequency. Next, PROC means. Why we are using PROC means for getting the data about standard deviation, minimum, maximum, average, median. For example, we have a data like class data. In the class data, 19 subjects are there, 10 are males and 9 are females. So we want to know the average age, minimum age, maximum age, median age, mean, average of age. In that case, we can follow PROC means. Next, PROC transpose. PROC transpose, why we are using PROC transpose means for reshaping the data. For example, converting the variable to observation, converting the observation to variables. In that case, we can use PROC transpose. Mainly reshaping the data. In that reshaping data, we have two types, normalization and denormalization. Next, PROC report. For reporting the data, we want to show the data in PDF or RTF files. In that case, we can follow PROC report. It is a report procedure. Default destination is output window. We want to show the information in output level. In that case, we can follow PROC report. For representing the data in PDFs or RTFs, we can use PROC report. Okay, we have multiple options in PROC report. We can explain each and every option in later part. Next, PROC export and import. PROC export means we're exporting data from SAS environment to other. In that case, we can use PROC export. PROC import means we are getting the data from some other destination into SAS environment, getting the data from other into SAS environment. In that case, PROC import. Importing the data by using PROC import, exporting the data by using PROC export. Next, PROC compare. Mainly we can use compare in validation part. PROC compare means we need to compare the two data sets are same or not with variables and values. Okay, PROC compare means comparing the two data sets having the same values or not. In that case, we can follow PROC compare.